What is up, guys? This is the high school experience, and we are doing QNA number 1. Now, I have no subscribers right now. Hopefully, maybe I will. So, this is going to be one. These are questions that I'm just going to do off the blue because I can't think of any. So, I'm sure you guys probably know half of these questions, but, it's still good to keep them in your mind, I guess. So first question I thought was, how long are your classes? Okay, so, and why do I have to take certain classes? Okay. So if you have regular scheduling, which means that you have all 7 or 8 classes a day, whatever. I think it's 7. This is for middle school, by the way. If you have 7 classes a day, then you're probably going to have like 45-minute schedules each one. I'm not sure. 40, 43, 45. And if you have block scheduling, which means that you have 4 classes, well, half of your schedule in one day. So then you'll have like 90-minute class periods. So, yeah. So I know the middle school where I came from, we had block scheduling. So we had A days and B days. So we had like 4 and then 4 on our schedule. And yeah. Okay, so you have all the classes that you have to take. So you have history, math, science, I can't fucking think. English. So history, math, science, English. And there's 5, right? There's 5. Yeah, there's 5. Maybe not. Okay, so we're starting with those 4. Reading. Well, English, math, science, history. Okay? Now, math. I know math was a big thing for me because I hated math. I still hate math and English, okay? So, the reason why you have to take math, now, once you get in high school, you'll be able to choose what you do, but you still have to take math 4 years. But math in general, once you start getting into algebra, like the parts of algebra that like are completely insane and you're probably never going to use in your life, but if you go into accounting, architecture, just anything that has to do with math, well, you work anywhere. If you're a cash register, you need to know math and you need to know how to count money. Now, all that bullshit about what some random ass shapes are, and you know what I'm talking about, that pre-algebra shit. Slope, intersect. I can tell you right now, my interest is in medical field, and I'm gonna be in sports medicine. So I'm probably not gonna need to know a slope of an intersect. So I know that is complete bullshit to me, but you still need to learn it. Now I know. I take it pre-algebra because I don't want to get up into fucking geometry and all that bullshit, because that's not in my category of where I want to go. I still have to have 4 credits of math, and each year is 1 credit. So that works out perfectly for me. So I'll go pre-algebra 1, algebra 2, and then probably geometry. I don't know. But yeah. So that's that. And then Okay, so now let's move on to English. English, yeah, I know it's bullshit. I mean, you already know fucking English. You know how to fucking write. But, you still need to know how to speak correctly. I mean, I don't. I know half the fucking people in the world don't. Just pay attention. Do what you gotta do to get an A. Don't cheat. Please do not cheat. That's the dumbest shit ever. But just pass. I mean, if the teacher asks you to read, just read. I mean, I know I'm the slowest reader. Expander. Okay. I know I'm the slowest reader. I'm like, I can't read crap. Like, if you ask me to read a paragraph out loud, it takes me about 4 minutes for a paragraph like that big. Because I can't read. I cannot physically read out loud. Now, when I'm winging shit, oh yeah, I am like, boom. I can like do, see, like I'm talking right now. I mean, it's not that bad. For me, it is not that bad. Okay, so now we're going to go into science. Science is wonderful for me. Now, all that chemistry shit, dissecting shit's fun. It's not called shit. It's called amazing. But all that other bullshit, I mean, you don't need it. I mean, the human body, yeah, you need it. You need your health. You need to know all that shit. But really, yes, let's learn about planets. I think you should have to choose what you get. But, you know, that's not the fucking way our country works. Now, I don't know about other countries, but I know that we have to put up with bullshit. Have to do stuff that we don't want to do. I know most of you guys don't even want to go to school. Yeah. So that's that for science. Just pay attention to science. Like I said for English, just get an A. Don't cheat. Reading English. History. Okay, let's talk about history. Yes, we need to know what history is. What has happened in history. But the bullshit about history is they teach us the same motherfucking... I'm talking. You know, middle schoolers are gonna cuss. You know I cuss like a freaking sailor, okay? And nobody's home, so I can talk as loud as I fucking want. Sorry for you. Oh, I should have said volume. I'll put that. Okay. So yeah. History. We don't really need to be taught the same shit over and over again. And then by the time you actually get to learn something that you don't, school's already over. They're like, oh, we'll actually learn about something new this year. And they don't get to it because the classes always get behind. They're never going to go on schedule. Ever. Unless you're like the best goody two-shoes class there is. No, it's not going to happen. Good luck with that. Okay, so those are 4 subjects. This video is running on 9 minutes. No, it's running on 8 minutes and 55 seconds right about now. Okay, so I'm going to close this video out because nobody's going to watch a fucking 10-minute video. Peace. That's a good note. Okay. If you like this video, hit that like button down there. It's going to be right down there. It only takes like 5 seconds or less. 2.7 or something. And if you want to see more videos like you just saw, subscribe right down there. Peace.